In this video, me and my dad are heading to a couple of spots in South Jersey to fish for bass, snakeheads, and bowfin. We have a lot of luck and even catch some more rare species, so continue watching to find out. Got one. First one of the day. First bass of the day. Probably a nice, pretty big bass. Big mouth here. But yeah. Yeah. 115. Nice one. There's the bass. Nice big mouth. Just let him go after the picture. Here's the almost 2-pound bass I just caught. Big mouth on this guy. Let's just let him go. I can't do this release video with the GoPro, so we're just gonna plop him down. There he is. A really nice fighter. Let's let him go. Oh, slow, peaceful release. There he goes. Got a bass on. Okay, fish number 3 of today. Technically, actually, I don't know if this is fish number 3 from your point of view, from you guys' point of view, because I think the second fish might have been, it was about the same size as this, but I think it might have been time lapse when it happened. So let's hope this isn't in time lapse, but there's our fish number 3 of the day. Let's just release this little guy, probably 0.7. Oh, he jumped out of the water in the release. Got one. Smallest of the day. Fish number 4, I think, yeah. Senko. Okay, guys. Here's fish number 4 of the day. Also fish number smallest of the day. There he is. A little, probably 0.4-pound bass. Let's just let him go. Okay guys, my dad just caught a snakehead. I saw it on the pod. He cast it to it.
On the fly
got
rod.
it on the fly rod. That's bigger than my PB, but that's his first one. So, congrats, and let's weigh him. Got a big one. Let's go. Yeah. Last cast, kinda. Like a 2-pounder.
What?
Probably like a 2-pounder. Okay, guys. Best fish of the day, probably like a 2-pounder. I'll weigh him. I was gonna make my last cast and I got this nice big mouth bass. He's 114 on the just 1 ounce away from being 2. Nice bass.